day. Not because the house is a complete mess, or because it's spring, but simply because it's easier to do a little bit at a time than to pick it up when it all falls apart. So, thanks for joining us, and let's go. Minute, time to clean. Okay, Google, activate the wake up.
Okay, activating the wake up.
I'll just pretend like I didn't see it. Ben usually does it if I don't. It'd be nice if it was done. It'll only take a minute. Put your bag in. Check the kitchen. It only took a minute.
It'll only take a minute.
It'll only take a minute. It only took a minute.
Alright, time to be very honest.
We hate cleaning. We absolutely hate it.
Yeah, but we're grown-ups, we are responsibles, and we have kids, so we want to make sure that they can grow up in an environment that doesn't feel like a pigsty. So what we really have to do is to make it easy on ourselves.
Actually, we try our very best to make it as hard as possible for us not to clean. So when we first moved into this house, we found out really fast that there are no places on the main floor to store a vacuum cleaner. So we ended up having to store it in the basement, which resulted in us not vacuuming nearly enough.
No, exactly. If the kids would spill some crumbs on the floor, then just the thought of having to go downstairs, pick up the darn old thing, plug it in, and then actually do the vacuuming was just too much.
So we got ourselves a cordless vacuum cleaner. It's here in the kitchen now. We can just go and grab it and get the vacuuming done. And we vacuum all the time now.
Yeah, and it's close to the areas where you actually have to do most of the vacuuming. So the dining areas and the entrance. Yep. And we do the same thing with our cleaning supplies. So the cleaning supplies for the kitchen are in the kitchen. The cleaning supplies for the bathroom, guess where they are?
In the bathroom. So it's really easy to get it done once you realize you need to. And you don't lose your momentum before you even get started.
Hey, Ben, there's some crumbs on the floor in the living room. Could you get that?
Christine, was it just that one spot?
Yeah. I mean, you can vacuum more if you want. only took a minute.
I'll only take a minute.
Oi! Iruka? Yeah. This might take more than just a minute.
It'll only take a minute. Emilia.
Okay, Marcus, you have swim class in 15 minutes. It'll only take a minute. Come on. Okay, let's go.
If you're not the only person living in your home, then you shouldn't be the only person that's responsible for keeping it looking nice.
No, we try and teach our kids responsibilities. They are in charge of their own rooms, they're in charge of taking their plates to the kitchen when they're done eating, and then a few other chores around the house. We do this for us because we don't want to do everything ourselves, but we also very much do it for them so they'll learn responsibility when they're young and hopefully keep it up when they're older.
Yeah, so keep your space nice and tidy, take responsibility for your things, and don't leave it. If it takes a minute, then there's no need to agonize over it for an hour or longer. Do it now.
And it's so nice to see when they really take it to heart and follow your example.
Mom, can I have a sandwich?
Marcus, we're gonna eat in 20 minutes. You gotta wait.
It will only take a minute.
Probably just soak it. You know, it really only took a minute.
So close. First try. I should do the laundry. It'll only take a minute.
It only took a minute.
Christine!
We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Yeah, and if you did, then consider liking the video. And if you really liked it, then consider sharing it as well. And if you really, really liked it, then tag along with us. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for notifications.
See you next time.